Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Paramount Plus subscription and start streaming movies and TV shows, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to paramountplus.com or download the Paramount Plus app on your streaming device, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Click on Try it free or Sign up to begin creating your account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a password for your Paramount Plus account. Step 4. Select your subscription plan. Paramount Plus offers different tiers, including limited commercials and commercial-free options. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including your credit card or PayPal details. If a free trial is available, you will not be charged until the trial period ends. Step 6. Review your subscription details and confirm your purchase by clicking Subscribe or Start your free trial. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus with your account details and login information. Step 8. Log in to Paramount Plus using your credentials and start browsing thousands of movies, TV shows, live sports, and exclusive Paramount Plus originals. Your subscription is now activated and ready for streaming on all your compatible devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.